What it means is that we filter out some trades based on the position of the trade as it relates to the 50 moving average. So if you're in the chop zone, it prevents going long if the long setup is below the 50. It prevents going short if the short setup is above the 50. Okay, so it takes some getting used to. And you know, some people, you got to hear it a few times and see it a few times before you understand it. You don't want to give the 50 moving average too much importance. It has a very specific role to play, and that's it. So you can see the reaction of the report coming out here. Quick response, as we normally see. Let's make a line around the range of the reaction. I mean, I would say it already broke out of that range. You can see this was within the range of the initial reaction here. Now it's broken out above it. We're waiting our 2 minutes. So we got about 30 seconds to go. We have to keep track of this white trade. So far, 64.72. Might have to get in sync with that. Got 15 seconds to go. It would be targeting 64.60 and the stop at 64.86. Let's see if it pushes through. I mean, it's already hit target 1, and it's probably all right, it's gone too far too fast, so now we're just going to wait for the next setup. So we are on the clock, and it's kind of pushed back down into its range. Let's see if it tests that swing high it just made, or if it's going to come down and test the low end of the range now. Or it could just chop around right in the middle. Hopefully it doesn't do that. Let's see what happens. This might be a long. Yes, it is. So the first long trade is 76. It's a small trade. It's going to have to make a new high of the day. It's only a 10-tick trade to 86. And the stop is at 59. It did trigger in. The most exciting price action. Hopefully the EMAs provide support. Be nice if crude tries to get up to 65. Unfortunately, that's a stop and reverse now at 64. And it makes the trade really small, too small. You make the 2-tick adjustment to 66 and then key level to 64, and all of a sudden your target 3 is less than 10 ticks. And I ignore trades that are too small. So win or lose, I'm staying with the long trade because those are the rules. It looks like that short's going to cancel, and it did. So missing full target now by just 1 tick, going to 9. There it is. So nice move higher. Hopefully you guys got positive slippage, and the stop now moves to 82. Let's see if we can rally up to 65, guys. The stop now moves up. The stop is at 64.89, and it's moved up again to 92. And it looks like it might move up to 94. It just did. And one and done again, guys. What a session. Look how this has worked out. Getting past 65. The stop's now at 99 and moving higher and stopping out right there at 07. And that's it. That's all she wrote. There you go. Another successful crude oil inventory report session.